How to fix "this device cannot start" error. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. If you are facing any issues with the Wi-Fi or other devices not starting, then in that case, you first need to go ahead and open up your device manager. Hit enter. So let's say, for example, if I go to my network adapters, and let's say if my wireless network adapter is not working, then the first thing you do is disable this device. And then click on yes. Now your network connection will be gone. Then you're going to have to right click on it again to enable device. Once you enable it back again, it should start working in most of the cases, but if that doesn't happen, right click on it, then you're going to have to uninstall the device. And then once you restart your PC, it will reinstall your device again. Then you're going to have to update your driver. Click on update, browse, and let me pick. So if you have any latest version of your driver, just select that one and then tap on next, and it will automatically install the driver for you. So after that is done, just go ahead and go to action and check for any hardware changes. If there are any changes, it will automatically fix the issue. After doing all of this, you're going to have to go back to your settings menu. And once your settings is open, find system settings. And from system, go to troubleshoot, find other troubleshooter, and then select the troubleshoot of which you're facing problem with. So let's say if you're facing problem with Bluetooth connection, you just run this troubleshooter. If you're facing a Wi-Fi problem, just run the network and internet troubleshooter. And once you run the troubleshooter, if there are any issues, it will ask you to fix itself. But as you can see, I don't have any problem with mine. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.